How to link email in Solo Leveling Arise. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to link your email in Solo Leveling Arise. Linking your email is the safest way to protect your account, recover if needed, and sync it across devices in Solo Leveling Arise. So in that case, in order to link your email, launch open Solo Leveling Arise game on your device and wait for it to load. Once you reach to the main menu, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap the gear button at the bottom right corner. This will open up the Options tab. From the Options tab, go to the bottom left and tap on Account. Under Account, go ahead and tap on Sign in with email option. In this pop-up, where you need to enter a valid email you have an access to. After typing down the email, go to the password field and enter your password. If you don't remember your password, you can click on Reset Password button and reset your password for your account. If you haven't signed up with email yet on Solo Leveling, you can do so by tapping Sign Up with Email and following through the prompts. After you do that, click on Sign In. Soon after you do that, you will be able to link email in Solo Leveling Arise. That's how you easily keep your Solo Leveling Arise account secure so that you can easily recover it if you switch devices. Linking your email is a quick setup to protect your hard-earned progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.